We're now gonna load Kodak Gold 200 into the camera.
I was driving down Woodward with you in the back.
Okay, that should be it.
I'm 97, never run. And as we drove past the Dutch dispensary, you looked at me and said, I don't want. See, I was driving down Woodward, passenger seat, doing 50 in my 97 Apple line. And as we drove past the dispensary, you looked at me and said that your dad's been depressed. Can we change this?
It was a full box and it was a great shot, but it wasn't rolling. It was on photo.
Fools to see come from away. Change it and you said you heard my last
18. Slay. She's a legal adult. Now we're rolling.
Okay. 10. I feel like if I go slow-mo, it's less.
11.
Are you allowed to fight back off? No.
Oh yeah.
12.
Oh.
13.
14.
Oh, you go. This is like a comedy sport.
Yeah. Wind up.
15. Wait, ready? 16.
Ah. 17. Oh my gosh, who's gonna be 18? Who's gonna be 18?
Last one.
Do it all at the same time.
Yeah.
So I was speeding up 11 with you sitting next to me, sipping Baileys from that Colorado coffee cup. And then we turned past the tea house where Mary read her poetry. And you looked at me and said that you miss your college bed. Well, ain't this fine to see? You reminiscing as if I was the one who said,
God, this is so fall.
Look at this. Guys, fall is real.
Fall is not fake.
You know, fall is not just.
Hollywood eats it up sometimes.
Oh, that's gonna be such a good shot.
I can't get the sign. It's like right under that line.
no, this feeling ain't rooted in reality. And then you said, step on it. And that's the last thing you ever said to me. But ooh, the cars go. But I got this funny
We're back. Just us again. Oh, mine is already gone. Oh. Ah! You wanna go first? Of course. You will step on the soil of many countries.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes.
So it was summer.
Mine says a surprise gift will leave a lasting impression.
Okay. Okay.
97.
USC, baby.
I made it on 75, you see. And on the phone before the crash, you said you love me, but you can't. And you see, you think if you say it enough times aloud, you'll start to believe it. But I've got no idea now. And I'm sitting in some cafe, all caught up about something I can't change. And I'm sipping that tea and my memory renews. And all of a sudden I know I'm sitting next to you.
You promise everything you're gonna answer. Are we taking one picture? Are you serious?
No, I'm taking a bunch so that she
I don't know. I was talking. Oh my gosh.
Okay, are you ready?
Everyone's a diva.
A less vomiting.
But the car is gone and we both
What's the motivation?
You don't get it.
No, but what's the motivation?
You have to ask.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get it.
You don't.
Okay.
Okay, now roll around. Okay, now butterfly, ice cold, fight, yes, no, maybe. Tell our stupid bomb. Let's go. Say goodbye.